Once I've begun to add interactions to a bulb, you'll notice this menu at the top. You can always go back to your video segments. You can easily see all of the interactions you have added. This is review at the end, which is the title of your bulb. So I would not want that long name because it has all three names together. I would just name this biochemistry. I can adjust the playback options. These are based on the defaults that I had in my account. So those are just based on that. But I'm going to go back to interactions because right here is where I want to add the next type of interaction. And this would be a check all feature where I want them to pick all of the correct answers, not just one right answer, all of the correct answers. So what are the four most common elements by mass in the human body? All right, so remember I have C, H. I'm going to click here again and click here to add an option. O, I want to click and add a few other options: calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and we will add sodium. Okay, now I'm going to check all of the correct answers. Remember, in advanced, I can choose randomize the order. I can allow them to see feedback. Remember, for every answer choice, I can add feedback if I choose. That's a lot of work in creating the PlayPosit. It just gives more information back to the students. I can choose to make that an option or not. I can allow more than one attempt. Only show answer highlighting on last attempt. Jump if I want them to move ahead in the video. If they get it, I can absolutely make that available. Okay, so if I did choose one of these, I could choose the part in the video where they would jump ahead. If they answer it incorrectly, I could choose that they have to jump back, okay? Or just go to a different part of the video altogether. So really you can customize it based on how students are answering questions. And then I'm going to click done. This one I'm going to adjust. That's 4 right answers. 2 points actually seems like a valid one. However, again, I could adjust the points all the way up to 10, but I am going to leave it at 2. If I wanted to duplicate it again, easy enough.